On a perfect summer day like this, I'm taking full advantage with a picnic made for the season. Hey y'all, I'm August and welcome to Target to Table. Today is all about simple summer flavors you can prep in under 30 minutes. I'm talking with Feta, Crostini, watermelon agua fresca, and a delicious snack board. So now we're gonna make the tomatoes for the crostini. I already sliced up some of them and half of them I just kept whole. Can't live without my garlic powder. I'm a real garlic girl, okay? Some salt, black pepper, and of course you wanna go in with a drizzle of olive oil. Be a little bit generous with this. You just wanna toss up the tomatoes like this. It's very simple and easy. You know, I didn't want to do too much for the picnic, but still seem like I did a lot. You know what I mean? So now we're gonna roast these in the oven at 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes until they get blistered and juicy. Now we're gonna make the whipped feta. I'm gonna use a blender, but you can use a food processor as well. I'm going in with some softened cream cheese. Then we're gonna add, of course, the feta. And you wanna do at least 8 ounces of feta. Extra virgin olive oil. And that's it, very simple. I love making this because it's only 3 ingredients, but it tastes super fancy. This is something you would get as an appetizer at a restaurant. And when you're finished blending, it should be this consistency, nice and smooth. Ooh, nice and juicy, blistered tomatoes, and it smells so good. This agua fresca is simply juicy watermelon, fresh lime juice, water, and a bit of sugar. Just blend everything together and strain if you want it smoother. It's bright, fresh, and tastes just like summer. To me, a good snack board is all about color and contrast. I went with fruit, something crunchy, and something sweet. Strawberries, grapes, pretzels, oranges, and a little hazelnut spread for dipping. Now let's pack up all of our food and go set up our picnic. This cooler bag holds all of the food items, and the picnic blanket is great because the straps make carrying a breeze. I love how easy it is to transport everything. Let me tell y'all, from the food to the decor to the drink cups, this whole spread came together in one Target run. The food's simple, but the look is giving everything. That's why Target is my go-to for hosting. Blankets laid, snacks are out. Don't be shy. Let me know your must-have snacks or drinks for a picnic in the comments. Subscribe to Target's YouTube channel for more Target to Table episodes.